Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Costway portable air conditioner suddenly starts showing a flashing power light and stops working the way it normally should, it can definitely frustrating when cooling suddenly becomes inconsistent. Sometimes the Costway portable air conditioner powers on briefly and then flashes unexpectedly, while other times the power light keeps blinking and the unit never seems to start properly. A problem like this can happen because of temporary system interruptions, airflow restrictions, moisture buildup, or power related glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Costway portable air conditioner flashing light issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Costway portable air conditioner power light flashing. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Costway portable air conditioner briefly if the power light keeps flashing. Step 2. Check the power connection on the Costway portable air conditioner and confirm it stays secure. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the Costway portable air conditioner if airflow feels restricted. Step 4. Inspect the drain section of the Costway portable air conditioner for extra water buildup. Step 5. Restart the Costway portable air conditioner after waiting a few moments. Step 6. Test the Costway portable air conditioner again and confirm the flashing power light stops normally.